What are you walking all the way over there for? Looking for a boat ride? A mermaid?
Yeah.
I knew you was weird. I knew something was wrong with you. They must have dropped you when you was young. I'm at the Mall of Asia, everybody. My second trip back to the Philippines. I'm doing a GoPro video this time instead of a bunch of pictures that I took last year when I was here. But it's about, what is it, 3:30, 2:50, somewhere around there time. It's a little, yeah, it's a little warm out here, as you can see. There's the Manila Ocean Bay by the Mall of Asia. Oh, she's taller now, everybody. You see? Yeah, she's the walking giant. Yeah. We have a train coming, a little kitty train coming.
Taller than you now.
Yeah. Yeah. In her wildest dreams, she's in fantasy land. You know. Hey, we got our local train here. I don't know what that are called. You want to ride the kiddie train like a little kid? Yeah, that's her thing. She likes kid rides. She's still a little kid, but excuse her. This is the famous Mall of Asia. See everybody? That's what it's all about. That's one of their main malls over here in the Philippines. Very attractive mall, big dome, a lot of shops, stores, all the other good stuff. Train guys coming back to me again. Excuse me. Here's the famous heart that a lot of my friends took pictures at on their Facebook applications, live, basically, you know, their profile pictures on Meet Me, you know. Very neat. For some reason, this has been an icon, a favorite. Love Locks by the Bay. What?
Zip line.
Yeah, I say that. I saw it last year. Yeah, I saw it last year. It's pretty cool. What? You want to take a picture? Come on now. Take a picture with your little phone. This is video, guys. I'm just doing video. This is... Hey, what you doing? Oh, how you gonna get a picture with that phone? You gotta take a picture. All right, guys. I'm gonna, end this video real quick. GoPro, stop recording.